What happens when a budget adventure bike shows up with tech that used to be BMW and Ducati only? We've been new that electronic suspension used to mean a 10,000-pound plus adventure bike. CFMOTO just put it on one that costs you never expected. And this isn't a gimmick suspension mode, it's the real thing. The big feature here is CFMOTO's electronic intelligent suspension system. It continuously adjusts as the road, riding conditions, and load on the bike change. No manual fiddling required. On top of that, you get 4 electronic preload settings, from riding solo to fully loaded 2-up, plus 3 damping modes, comfort, standard, and sport. Backing it up is a full Bosch package built around a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS traction control, drag torque control, and wheelie control, all working together to keep the bike stable. That's the same category of tech you'd expect from bikes costing several £1,000s more. Mechanically, CFMOTO didn't reinvent anything, and honestly, they didn't need to. Power still comes from their familiar 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin, 91 horsepower, 75 newton meters, paired with a 6-speed box, slipper clutch, and a bidirectional quickshifter. For touring, you get an 8-inch TFT, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring, heated grips, and a heated seat, plus a steering damper. And then there's CFMOTO's radar system, adding blind spot monitoring, a feature most riders have only ever seen on cars. So here's the number that makes all of this actually newsworthy. All of that for £8,499 plus on the roads. That undercuts a lot of established middleweight adventure bikes, while offering equipment that would have been considered genuinely premium just a few years ago. Add CFMOTO's 4-year warranty on top, and it's another aggressive move from a brand that keeps pushing harder into territory the bigger names used to have to themselves. So, here's what I actually want to know from you. Does this level of tech at this price make you trust CFMOTO more? Or does it make you wonder what corners got cut to hit that number? Would you buy a Chinese brand adventure bike over an established name if the spec sheet reads this well? That's the CFMOTO 800MT-ES. Proof that the gap between budget and premium adventure bikes keeps getting smaller. Subscribe for more news of motorcycle update around the world.